Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Anneliese from Princess and the Pauper, the wedding dress version. So to start, I'm just going to remove everything except for the hair because I did a few adjustments to it, as well as the crown. So for the hair, I used this hair in the color blonde. I think I did adjustments actually in the no bangs toggle, positioned the Y 0.45, Z 0.67, rotated the X to 0.66. Then I use this for the bangs here in the same blonde color. I wish they made like a bangs only toggle with this, but position the X to 0.49, 9.47, Z 0.45, rotate the X to 0.67 and scale it to 0.46. Then I just added this updo in blonde. For the crown, we are going to use VIP for this in CDA 553, position the Y 0.55, the Z at 0.43, rotate the X to 0.64 and scale it to 0.30. Now the rest of the outfit doesn't need VIP, so if you don't want to use the crown, you don't have to, but actually the veil needs VIP as well. But again, some of the items are optional if you just want the dress. For the dress aspect, get this top and color it white. Then color it this goldish color C68E3E and the rest in just white. Go to the dressing rooms and we're going to go to codes and we're going to get this top over here in the nose, collar, and sleeves. Color it white and then that gold. Oh, actually that white again and then that gold, sorry. Like so. Then for the skirt, we are going to use the usual combo here. I'm just going to get this one in the no layer in just white. And then we're going to get this one in only skirt in all white as well. Then we're going to get this skirt too in all white. Then we're going to go to the currency item again, grab this skirt in only skirt, toggle in all white as well. And then for the sleeves, we're going to go back here to the World Cultures, get this one in only sleeves, color it white in matte. And then this color, FFA4A4. Then you can just use any shoes that you would like to. I'm just going to use these heels in the pink color. And that is Princess Anneliese's wedding dress from Princess and the Pauper. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.